Today, I'll show you how to undo in Adobe Acrobat. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Now open the PDF file you are editing. If you make a mistake while editing, the quickest way to undo it is by using the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-Z. On Mac, press Command-Z. This should undo the most recent change, such as moving text, deleting something, typing new text, drawing a line, or changing an object. You can also use the menu at the top of the screen. Click Edit, then choose Undo. If you want to bring the change back, click Edit, then choose Redo. You can also press Ctrl-Y on Windows or Command-Shift-Z on Mac, depending on your setup. Keep in mind that Undo only works for recent changes in your current editing session. If you already saved and closed the PDF, Acrobat may not be able to undo the change when you open the file again. That is why it is a good idea to use Save As when making big edits. Click File, then choose Save As, and save a new copy of the PDF. This keeps your original file safe in case you need to go back. If you accidentally delete text, move an image, add a wrong comment, or draw something in the wrong place, try Ctrl-Z or Command-Z right away. If undo does not work, you may need to manually fix the change. For example, you can retype deleted text, move an object back, remove a comment, or reopen the original version of the file. So, to keep it simple, use Ctrl-Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo your last action. You can also go to Edit, then Undo from the top menu. And that's how you undo in Adobe Acrobat. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.